our second trip in Vegas in the same week in the new hotel of the MGM Park Hotel. They renew it inside, so it's less fancy than the Venetian, but at least it's modern style and it's clean. So look at the bathroom. You have the mirror. You have some what's the name of that?
Soap?
No, but the type of things like that, shampoo.
Oh.
Amenities, no?
Yeah.
And you have for dried hair, they put you some things for the shampoo, for the body lotion. Here you can put your clothes, you can put your cash if you have a lot, you can put your socks, underwear, all the things. You have also for iron your clothes, so that's a good point. And you have a nice mirror with the lights for the last checkup of you before to go to the casino. You have this amazing display. Look at this size, and you can really move it like that. You can see it when you are in the bed. You have some. They try to be artistic in this room. They put some. What's the name of that? Pictures.
Art.
Yeah. So
yeah, portraits.
It's not really my style, but yeah, it's okay. You have the connection also, the USB connection for charge your phone. And you have a nice England, what's the name of that? England seat? No?
Yeah.
England seat, like in leather. And compared to the Venetian, where it's automatic, here it's like welcome to the simple life. But yeah. But like that. But at least look at the view.
Wow. Ta-da! There's the T-Mobile Arena, and then the New York, and the Excalibur. Yeah, there you go. So it's nice. There you go. And then tell them about the package, the care package that they have.
So in the package you have the hydroalcoholic lotion. And you have a big surprise, 2 masks, but the one you don't need to trash. You just need to put it to the washing machine.
Oh, so, yeah.
And you have the Park MGM.
Nice, signature. Nice.
And
there's another cool thing.
You have 2 things like that. It's for touch your phone or open the door without contact. So that's super cool. I thought it was for open some beers or for a fight, you know.
So there you go. That's their package. Right there. Nice. So far so good?
So yeah, because at least we book it with an advantage of discount thanks of the membership of the MGM. So it's really, I think, a good cost quality.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah, that's true. And then
for the first hotel where we went in the Venetian, I will put 5 stars. And here I will put like 4 because it's still good.
Yeah.
Even outside it's nice, the presentation of the building, the area, it's not unsafe or really like so far. You have the Aria Hotel just very close and it's a fancy one, so yeah.
Thank you very much for showing your room.
And happy birthday again, Carlo.
Bye. Okay, you have seen our Park MGM Hotel, and now you gotta go out. Get out now, bye.